Kavitha, and here today I'm going to explain you about what exactly is SAP SuccessFactors and who can learn this course and what kind of opportunities will be there and whether it is a friendly tool and how what kind of configurations we are doing in the system. So everything we will discuss one by one. Before that, can we have a small introduction? So let's start with Viraj. So you can just inform your name, your bag means your domain and your place. That's it.
Yeah, okay, sure. My name is Prithviraj Sahu and I'm from Barampur, Odisha. And I have experienced in operations like 3 years, 8 months. In November, I left my job. Now I'm thinking of doing SAP SuccessFactors. So I'm joined here.
Okay, good to know. And you're from HR background or
No, I'm completely from operations. It's non-IT kind of
non?
job.
Okay, 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 Prithvi.
Yeah.
Yeah, next.
Yeah, hi, good evening all, and I'm Rohit, and I'm doing as I'm a talent acquisition from last 3 years, as and I want to shift to SAP domain. So I have been joined here, and I'm from Bangalore.
Hi, hi, from Rohit. Next.
Yeah, hi. This is Anand. I have totally 5+ years of experience into HR department itself, and also with the immigration. And previously, I worked with the British Airlines and also with the Infosys. That is my scenario, and I have completed my education like a BTech plus MBA. That is my total scenario. Yeah.
Good to know, Anand.
Hello.
Hi.
Yeah, yeah. Good to know, Anand. We'll discuss.
Yeah.
Yeah, next.
Yeah, hi, this is Vijay. So, I'm from Bangalore and I have 3 years of overall experience and I'm been in payroll and HR onboarding process. Yeah, this is about my career.
Good to know, Vijay. Thanks for joining. Next.
Yeah, I'm Lakshmi Divya. I have a total experience of 8 years in IT. I was like worked as SQL developer, and from 2020, I don't have. I quit my career in IT. Now I want to restart my career, so I opted for the SAP SuccessFactors. And prior to that, I don't have any domain knowledge on HR and all.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much for all of your time and thank you for joining. And myself, Kavitha, I have overall 9 years of experience into SAP. And from last 6 years, I'm giving corporate training as well as individual trainings. So here today, the demo is on Employee Central, SAP SuccessFactor Employee Central. So let us start with what exactly the success factors, Employee Central, SAP, what will be the work, who will be getting the job, and all those things we will discuss one by one. And if you have any questions, you can please raise your hand, or else we can discuss at the end of the demo. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So anyone knows that what exactly is a SAP? So before coming, you may have searched something about SAP, right? So any
Mm.
knowledge or any just at least you may have searched for what exactly SAP and what is success factors, why we have to learn any kind of research you have done. Okay, not a problem. Okay. So first let's
Yeah.
understand, yeah. Okay, okay. So let us understand about what exactly SAP first. Okay. So SAP, most of the people says that like the SAP and it's a company, SAP company. all those things. So SAP is a company as well as a software as well. In SAP we have different softwares, applications and all, where it is supporting the organization in entire transactions and all. Like we have, if you understand, SAP has a HR module, material management, plant maintenance, sales and distribution. There are so many different modules are there in the SAP. Apart from that, we have separate module called success factors. Okay, so and this one, SAP stands for system application and products in the data processing. Now what exactly success factors? Okay, why we have to learn the success factors and what exactly this module is all about? So success factor is a cloud-based HR module, and in this SAP success factors we have different modules where we can use this module for entire transaction of a company. When we say transaction of a company, we will be taking care of an organization and employee from hire to retire. So all these functionalities is available within the success factors. So now whether we have success factors, when we have everything, so we have to go with only entire package of success factors, or we have any sub modules in that one. Let us understand that. So first, it is a cloud based application. SaaS model. SaaS model means it's a software as a service. If you take other applications in SAP like HCM, that is a product based, means you have to purchase the entire application along with the license and you have to take care of all service and maintenance. But in success factors, that is a software as a service. It means you are just using this software as a subscription base and you have to just renew that from the SAP. So that's the reason we called it as a software as a service. Now, in this success factors, what are the things are available? So as I mentioned, the success factor helps the organization to complete, means to take care of entire transaction from hire to retirement of an employee, and also give a perfect data to an organization in a hand. So for that one, what are the modules are available in the success factors? There are almost 12 plus modules are available. In that, first module is the employee central. Okay, so all of you may know about the employee central, and after that we have time management, then recruitment, then on offboarding, role, which is learning management system, reporting, analytics and planning, performance management and goal management. Like this, there are number of modules. Now we have object key or object keys. There are so many sub modules are available. In this, these are the standard modules. In that one, the first one, what you are able to see, employee central. This one we called it as a foundation module or a base module. It means entire the other modules, if you see, these are all process oriented module. So in the time management, you will getting to know that what you have to do exactly, the time calculation of an employee, holiday calculation, leave and all, everything will be taken care by time management. Recruitment is like once you post a job and entire like recruitment and following up with the candidate, scheduling the interviews and offering, everything will be taken care by recruitment. Once recruitment is completed, then the documentation process in onboarding, and if the candidate is going after resignation or termination, then offboarding, then payroll process, then compensation and benefits, and LMS to make employees to learn other new modules and all within the company. Not only within the company, other organizations also use LMS. And reportings, yes, for entire thing we need a reportings. Succession and planning, every company has a succession and planning. So succession is all about uh, keeping the talent ready for the job or any projects into the company. PMGM is a performance management and goal management. So here all these modules are process oriented modules, and the employee central, what you are able to see, this is the foundation module. So people who are new to the success factors, who are from other domains, and who they wanted to shift to the success factors. So I like suggest them to go with the employee central. Why? Because here you will be learning about the entire process of SAP success factors, and in this employee central we will be learning about from entire thing, like from hiring of a candidate to the candidate leaving the job. So how to hire a candidate, what kind of transactions we have to do, what kind of business rule we have to write, how to make a workflow process, event reason, how to create a company in the system, how to provide a organization chart, and how many positions we can create. So everything you will be learning in the employee central. And most importantly, the permissions. So some people, when they call for the first time, they ask me that can we go with the recruitment, can we go with the onboarding, or can we go with the LMS. So this many queries will be getting. So when, if you are already in the SAP success factors and if you are working in the company, then you can jump into the modules and you can learn. But when you are new to the domain, first you have to go with the foundation module. In foundation module you will be getting entire uh, process of SAP SuccessFactor, and also a 30% of knowledge about the other modules. Then you can track each and everything as a process wise, and you will be also able to understand that what exactly the system is behaving, or how the things are in the system and how we can configure the system. So this is all about the modules available in the system and which one module will be the best to start when we are new to the industry. So I suggest Employee Central. You can go with the Employee Central, and after Employee Central you can also learn by yourself, like recruitment, onboarding, offboarding. These are all modules you can also learn after Employee Central. Only the Employee Central will take at least 4 to 5 months of time to understand clearly and concisely like what exactly the application is all about. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you clear, or any questions till now?
No.
Okay. Now, what exactly we are going to do as a success factor consultant? So, as a demo, we understand that okay, SAP is there. In SAP success factor is a module, and it's a SaaS module, and this many modules are available, and we can go with the Employee Central. Now, you have opted the module Employee Central, or maybe any other module. Then what exactly the work you are going to do? So this is the main question comes when people are new to the industry. So we, after successfully completing of the course, or when you join at the company as a fresher or something, so you will be called as a success factors consultant. Okay, means success factors consultant, or success factors lead consultant, success factors employee central consultant. So likewise there will be a designations and all, and what exactly the work you are going to be done in the company. So success factors is a complete application. Now a company is there, like we have a company called IBM. Now company is already using one application called HCM. Now company want to upgrade to the SAP SuccessFactor as it is a cloud-based module. Okay. Now the company has already the HCM application and they wanted to upgrade to the SuccessFactors. Now they will hire us, means we like the consultant who know about this applications and all, or they will go with any of the company who are providing the services of all these configurations and all. So the company will reach out to any of the company, and company will hire us as a consultant, and as a consultant we will be configuring their system. So what configurations we will be doing? Suppose HCM application is already available, then we have to transfer the data, complete data to the success factors, and whatever they required, like how the application should be, how many employees data to be imported, who are the managers, who are the HR, what kind of automation process has to be enabled in the system, and what kind of event reasons should be there, and timings, guideline, each and everything, like a document generation, and when company employee comes, like what kind of a document has to be generated on a system. So each and everything we will be configuring as a configuration consultant. So if you are doing a project which is already working, means which is already implemented, and you joined as a consultant, then you will be having a work of configuration. It means whatever the work is available, whatever the work is done by other partners, you will be doing some changes or modification. That we called it as a configuration. And when you enter a company and the company hire you as a consultant, and the company started the implementation process, it means from the starting, then you will be doing a work of implementation. Implementation means from the starting to ending you will be taking care of system. The system is new, the dummy system will be, sorry, the original system will be given to you with your company ID and all. Now as a consultant responsibility, we have to implement complete system with their data and with their employees. So when we are doing from starting to ending, that is implementation. And with the already the work is done and we hired as a only consultant to configure or adjust or upgrade or enhancement, that work we called it as a configuration. Okay. Clear?
Yes, Kavitha.
All of you clear, or any questions?
Yeah, clear.
So there will be a one more work for us as a consultant, support consultant. So what is a support consultant? So company will be having implementation as well as support as well. Support means if they are facing any issue, or if they are not able to log in, if they are not able to process hiring process, or whenever they are doing any business rule, the issue has came, then you have to find out the issue and you have to resolve. That work we called it as a support. So here configuration, implementation and support work we will be doing as a SAP SuccessFactors consultant. Okay. Now, what kind of work, how the project will be starting, and from where we will be getting the project, all those things we will be discussing. Now, project phases, how the project starts. Here, we already taken one company example as a IBM. Okay. So in IBM has connected with one of your company, and your company is a implementation partner. Now, once having a successful discussion with the company, we will be giving a demonstration to the company. Okay. So that demonstration we call it as a project team orientation. Project team orientation. As how you came to learn SAP SuccessFactors, and you are listening the demo, that what exactly the success factor is all about, and whether it is very useful for us or not, how I am explaining to you, you have to explain it to the client that what are the features are available in these success factors, and how good this application is compared to the application which client is using, and how we can resolve the issues if they are facing any issues with the current application. So everything you have to give a demonstration in the initial call, which is PTO session or project team orientation. So here in this call, the leads will be there, leads, project manager and the manager, sales manager, those people will taking care of this one. And also as a consultant, means if we want to give a demonstration on employee central or recruitment and all, and if you have good number of experience, then you will be also involved in the presentation, and you will be sharing your expertise and features whatever available in the success factors. Once the PTO session is done, then you will be having requirement gathering, which is next step. So what is this requirement gathering? Gathering the information. Okay, so like what exactly you required means how, whether if it is a new project, they're collecting their company information, how many branches, how many locations, division, department, what name should be updated, how like employee data updation. So each and everything we will be getting into the requirement gathering. Next, preparation of a flow chart. So here also your project managers, lead consultant, they will be involved in. So once you get the requirement gathering, then you will be having a preparation of flow chart. Means you will be preparing, means the higher senior consultants will be preparing that if you get the project, then how in how many months you will be getting going to be delivered, how many people you require, how many like a professional consultant, like for every module, like employee central consultant, recruitment consultant, onboarding consultant, how many people you require, seniors, juniors, and what is the time frame we have agreed to the client, and in which phases we are going to deliver this one. So there will be a preparation of the flow chart. Again here your seniors and consultant like project managers will be there. Then the work starts here as a implementation process. Implementation or configuration means whatever the requirement you got from the client, you will be applying that in the system and you will start implementing the system. Once implementation is done, then testing, that you have to do the testing that whatever the configuration or implementation you have done, whether it is meeting the client requirement or not, or it's successfully running. So everything we will be doing as a testing. Again, UAT, which is user acceptance testing, means your client has to accept that what exactly the requirement they have given, whether it is matching or not, the system behavior is okay. Everything they will be doing in a part of UAT, which is user acceptance testing. You will be having go live once the client is okay with the user acceptance testing, and if any changes then we have to again work on that one, again do the testing, then again UAT process will be there. That's a chain process. So once everything is done, then go live, it means you will be deploying the project on the production. Okay, so where everyone can use that one. Initially when we are starting, we will be calling as kickoff, and finally when we are delivering the project, we will call it as a go live. After go live, support and maintenance. It means if your company is agreed to do the maintenance of 6 months or 1 year, like that, we will be taking care of support and maintenance. And if required, we have to provide the training to the people who are working in IBM, like their HR process or their business people will be there. For them we have to train like how to use this application and all, not related to configuration, but how to use the application and the menus and all. Though everything you have to prepare and document, and you have to deliver the project. So this is the work cycle what we will be going to do as a SAP SuccessFactors consultant, and how the project comes and how we have to start and end the project. Clear? All of you clear?
Yes, Kavitha.
Janaki, Janu, Lakshmi, Vijay, Anand, Prithviraj. If any queries,
Clear,
please
clear.
let me know. Not interested? It's not interesting. I'm just going on.
No, actually. So, uh, there'll be the coding in this.
No, no coding. It's a functional. So, what exactly, let's see if we can give an example of this project implementation and all. Suppose you're building a house, okay? So, what we will be doing first initially, that we will check the plot. Then once the plot is okay, then we will be taking the permission. Once the permission is done, then the blueprint of the house, that how many where and all we have to put up the rooms and how many labors we require. So everything we will be doing a groundwork, right? And after that we will again take the engineers and workers, that how many people we required, again we build the house. So everything same related to your real time experience only. So same thing we will also do as a consultant, that initially once we get the project we will be analyzing, and we will be deploying the project with whatever the information they have provided to us. The same example. Now, another question when people coming for the first time into SuccessFactor, whether it is coding or not. So no coding will be there. It is a completely functional module and it's very easy to understand and learn. People who are from any of the background, they can learn this application. So you should have bit of the just HR experience, that will give an advantage. And if you don't have the experience also, then you can start this module and you can get a pro in the success factors. A bit of logical thinking is it's required when you're working with the automation process, like writing a business rules, and just you have to analyze the system, that how system is behaving. You have to give your inputs to the system and check whether it is working or not. So everything we need some kind of logical reasoning. And apart from that, no tough things are there in success factors. It is very easy to understand and easy to learn if you are doing in a right way. So when you start learning of success factors, you should not leave your hands-on practice at least for a 1 or 2 day as well, because it is a very big ocean, and if you lose your hands-on practice, then you cannot able to learn as soon as possible within a given time. Okay. So yeah. So now let us see the application, that how the application looks like, and what exactly this success factors is all about. One second, I'm in a noisy area. Okay, no problem. So this is the success factors home page. The initially when you log in into the system, this is how the page looks like, and what kind of configurations we are going to do. Like if your client is giving you the logo, that you have to upload the logo here. This is a logo container, and this is the home screen. We call it as a banner image, and this is your quick actions, a kind of a shortcut links. And if at all, if you are a manager, then you can able to see the approvals and all, the supplement task. And if the organization has any supplement task with the due date, we will be able to see here. Means we have to configure an organization update. If any update organization want to provide to the entire company, then we will be creating as a organizational updates in the system. And this one, the complete system, what you are able to see, that everything can be configurable. You can change the background, you can change this photo, you can change this quick action colors, and you can just change these icons as well. Means you can just replace the positions of the icon. You can give a one color to this header. That how the client required, we can just modify the system. And beyond the SAP capabilities, we cannot modify. Whatever the availability is there, that only we can do that. So as I mentioned that it is very easy and a functional application. So how much easy it is? Suppose let us do one demo here. Suppose your client is asking you to create a company flow chart. Okay, that he want to see that how the company flow chart looks like in a step-by-step process. So I may not give you entire thing, but just a demo. Okay. So to configure that one, we will be going to configure company structure overview. See how easy the name is. Again, the company structure means we have to create a structure. The same terminologies you will be there. Like if you want to add new employee into the system, add new employee. If you want to create a position, create position. So this kind of terminologies will be there to enter into the page, where the people from new background, they can feel very easy to learn as well. So configure company structure overview. Then so this is the place where we can do the configuration. When you are in the job class, we will update you each and everything. So as of demo, I'm just creating one structure. So what is a client requirement? He want to create he want to see a structure of the company. So add, you can give a code. Complete success factors will work with the code and name. Okay, so let us IBM code, IBM my company name. So you can give any name here according to the client requirement. Root entity. So here in SAP language, the word company refers to legal entity. So the legal entity refers to the word company. So we will be taking legal entity. Threshold compact view, how many levels we required. Show photo per user if at all. In this structure, if you are updating any user, then photos. Show level, in which level your company is, and level display mode, how you should get how the visibility should be, whether it is an icon or text, you can update. So once you give this one, just give apply. So now we have created our legal entity, means company, the just a demo company in the system. So if you click on here, then you will be seeing this edit layout, and in this edit layout you can do the color configuration, like if you want to update any color. And again, this is also according to the client requirement only, nothing we will be doing by our own things. And if the client require any visible fields like start date, company name and all, we can give the fields here, like how many. Count people means how many people are working in the company. Count position means how many positions are there, and this is a side panel display. So once you give this one, your demo company will be created. This is a empty, this is just a structure. Now we have to create a complete structure. So next object will be your business unit. So these all you will be understanding once you once you enter in the course. So just to show you how easy it is, I'm creating. If you have any other questions, you can just let me know. So again, so same configuration you can repeat by layout, and then sorry, add child entity, then divisions, then department. So in this way we can create a structure. So as of now I haven't given any data in this one. I'm just saving this and proceed. So once you proceed, you can just validate whether whatever the configuration you have done, whether it is valid or not. Since I have not given the much data into the system, I will show you the previous flow chart what we have created with the complete data. So you have to go to duplicate. You can just make it a duplicate whenever you are working in the uh, current page. So it should not disturb your current page, and you can go to another page. As of now, here the configuration work will start, and to view that flow chart, we will be going to view of chart. Hope you are able to understand. Easy only, no? So here you can see company structure overview, and you can take any structure here. As of now what we have taken, you can also do that one, but that data is not available. So let me show you something what we have created earlier. So let us assume that we got a requirement from Samsung, and in the Samsung we have one legal entity, two business unit, one division, one department, and one cost center. Likewise, we can create a number of things. So this is the flow chart, means if the company want to see that how many levels are there, how many business unit, division, department, at that time we will be creating this kind of flow chart. So that this is the demo, so very limited one we have created, but in the real time we will be having like a 20 plus business unit, division, department, hundreds of departments, cost centers. So everything depends on the company, that how many locations they have, and how what are the work they are doing in the, or means like some companies like a production, service, call center. If you take Amazon, they have many departments, like a if we can take electronics one department, apparels one department. So different department, division, cost centers will be there in the company, and that we have to go, we will be going to create as a structure and show it to the client. So there is a lot of work, not only this one. So as part of the demo system, I just created one and I have shown you. So hope you understand this one. Easy only, no?
Yes.
So there are a lot of things we have to discuss. So as the time constraint, I didn't went deep into that one, but very easy to understand as well. You no need to worry. So till now, any questions? Hello.
Hello, all okay.
Yeah. Now let us understand about
Yeah.
this training part, how the training will go and how we will be taking care of the training and what exactly we will be learning in the training. So the training will be on SAP SuccessFactors Employee Central, and this is a complete corporate training. This is completely a corporate training, and we are going to learn about Employee Central. Actually, previously we used to give the content of only 40 to 60 hours, but now we are designing this course for 80 hours. And in this course, you will be working with the THR 80 and THR 81. So these are the business codes. When you want to write an exam, you have to use these codes to book your slots on the SAP officials. So THR 80 is all about administrations, initially how to start, and THR 81 is a core employee central. So earlier also we haven't provided this complete 80 hours of course, but from this month we have started already. The one batch is, two batches are already going on, and from this batch we have started 80 hours of course to give a in-depth knowledge about each and every information of a SAP SuccessFactors Employee Central. This is administration and core employee central. Actually, the employee central will take only 40 hours, but so many people are not able to get that exactly what exactly employee central. So many people, again, so many doubts and all, each and to take care of each and everything. We have started THR 80 and 81 with for 80 hours of course in depth. So after the how the classes will start, and how we will be go running the classes. So every day you will be having a class of 2 hours. 1 hour will be the session and 1 hour will be the hands-on practice. Means when you are in the session, like I will be available and I will be taking care of hands-on practice, that every student has to do the practice in front of me and others. So Monday to Friday we will be having a class. There's a 2 hour session daily, and that will be Monday to Friday. So Monday to Friday we have a class, and on every Monday you will be having a presentation. So what kind of presentation? From Tuesday to Friday, whatever you have learned in these 4 sessions, that you are going to present as a PPT, as a demo in front of other students as well. Everyone will be preparing one topic and they will be giving the presentations, and this practice will make you to understand the issues, and how to resolve the issues in more, and how to research in depth of the configuration, and how you have to communicate with the client. And as a success factors consultant, it is very important to communicate with the client on the regular basis. And you have to, when you communicate, then only you will be getting the knowledge about the requirement and exact question what they are asking and what you have to do in the system. And also presentation skills. Every time SuccessFactors releases new features in every 6 months. So as a consultant, we will be presenting this new features to the client. So to make sure to avoid that stage fear and all, we have made this practice that every Monday the presentation will be there with whatever the topic they have learned. They will be going to present on Monday session. Clear? Hello.
Yes.
Yeah. Now, whatever the topic we are going to teach you, that every topic will be documented and send you the attendance as well, what topic we have covered and who are in the class. So each and every information will be sent it to you on a weekly basis. Along with this one, your recordings, the notes, trainer notes, as well as SAP notes, and if required any real time question book as well. Like I will be working on I'm working, so every time whenever I get any new questions or if I stuck up any between any of the work, so I will also inform students to do that work as well, so that in that way you will also gain the real time experience. So here not only we will be teaching you on a academics level, we are completely taking you on a practical exposure. So what kind of practical exposure? So what exactly I'm working in a company, that same scenarios I will be sharing with people so that they can also learn some practical thing, and they can, that can be helpful for their interviews and new job. So in this 80 hours of session, most of the time, almost 40 hours, we will be discussing on a real time scenarios and real time questions that every day I will be sending to you, and you have to practice and you have to get the answers for that one. Practical exposure will give you at least 2 years of experience. So to whatever the students we had in the from last 6 years, so till now I have delivered the training for, apart from the corporates, apart from the Atos, IBM, Capgemini, Fujit, so these are my clients. Apart from this clients, only the individual count is 400 plus. So in this 400 also, every time in every batch they have cracked the job, and they are working in KPMG, good companies, E&Y, IBM, Accenture. So there are, they are also very happy, and still they come and ask that what exactly this question is all about. So this kind of support you will be getting from your starting of the session to interview process, and after interview process also you can always welcome this one. So this is about our training pattern and all. And here, once you join the training, the initial batch you have joined, suppose you have joined the March batch, and you have left in between some your queries or some any emergencies you have left, so you are unable to recover that one, so you no need to stress your mind by seeing the recordings and all. Again you rejoin the session without any extra amount. So amount will be there only for server, which is 2500, but apart from that training charges will be not there. N number of times you can come back and you can learn about the course. Clear?
That's great.
Yes.
Now I am going to present you some more details about this skills tech innovation. So this we are a corporate trainers. Another one person is also there. So me and Kaushik will be taking care of all this training. And as we are doing this training from last 6 years, so we thought to give a name for this one, and we thought to give as a skills tech innovation. So now we are taking the training on the name of Skills Tech Innovation. So just a name we have given, and with some websites and all. So no third party people will be there. As a trainer individually, we will be front ending the complete process from your training to help you with the job assistance and all. So placements and all we haven't given anything, but assistance will be given. The once you get any interview call, you have to come back and you have to give. We will be giving you the demo interviews and all. Our some other people will be there. They will be interview you with those kind of questions. So that's where you will be clear. It means at least in 100%, at least 70% you are okay to give the interview process. So this is about skills tech innovations, the training details. So here what exactly the services we are offering. So we are offering the trainings, the customized solution for some companies, and hands-on practice. So every time you will be getting hands-on practice. It is not just a training. You will be also involved in hands-on practice with the real-time scenarios. Project support, this is for companies and all. Corporate training for companies and certification support. So as you all know that success factors means after learning the course, that is not the end. You have to write an exam as well for a certification, and that certification will be added advantage for your profile. And that is a global level certificate. You have to directly book from the SAP portal. So that certification guidance will be given to you, that what kind of questions will be coming and in which area you have to practice more to clear the exam. So here as of now we have only these 4 modules: employee central, recruitment, performance, goals and learning. So in employee central we will be covering all these things. So employee data management, organization structure, workflows. In recruitment, job requisition, candidate management, offer approvals. In PMGM, how to set the goals and all. And in learning, like training program, certification and learning plans. So if we see deep into that in Employee Central, what exactly we cover, as I mentioned, we have changed the pattern that earlier we used to give 40 hours of training, but now we are giving 80 hours of training. So this is only for THR 81. This is the course content what we are going to teach you, and this is the official content from SAP. We haven't changed any content. So you can also see this content by going to the SAP official website. And this is for recruitment, performance and goal management, LMS. So these are the 4 modules. Coming to the fees and all, so we have a standard fees for everyone. So here that we need to change this 180 hours. The fees is 25,000 and the 5,000 is for lab access, your server access, which is valid for 2 months. So for all the modules we are charging the same amount. So training and support, what kind of support you will be getting. So from the starting to ending, you can see the support, what kind of support we will be giving in our first week of your session. So mainly the hands-on practice will be there on the real, like every day. Real-time scenarios will be discussed with you, project implementation, resume preparation, interview support and certification support. Even your resume will also take care by myself only. So this is the track record of the training, means from last 6 years what we have done. So these are some important clients where initially we started with this one, and these are some other clients where we are still delivering the training. And these are ongoing clients, means every year we have this requirement and we have to go and deliver the training. So not only in India, we have I have also delivered in Sri Lanka and Switzerland as well. So Singapore is going on. So not apart from this corporate training, even the DRDO work is also going on. So these are some testimonials from our students. So this you can see on our LinkedIn profile. If you go through my LinkedIn profile, you can see all these reviews. And the success stories we can mark as a individual growth. There is a 60% growth from in your career, and from organizational point of view there is a 40% growth when we have done the corporate trainings and all. So this is our team. So team means we are only 2 people. So he is Mr. Vijay Kaushik. He is also having 11 years of experience and 6 years into the training. Now he is taking care of SAP Global Project, entire SAP Global Project. So he's not delivering the training now, but he will take care of the things when I'm in absence. So these are our personal contact information as well. You can also connect with us. If I am not available, you can connect with Kaushik, or if Kaushik is not available, then you can connect with me. And this is me. So I have 9+ years of experience and gained 6 years into the training. So these are the clients where I have delivered my trainings and all. And this is also my personal number where you can save and you can connect with me. Some awards and recognition. We also received almost 4 awards in last 1 year. So this is the recent one, and this is our company contact information. So you can save this number, and if you have queries, you can just reach out to us over the WhatsApp or phone call. So this is all about the demo and myself and the company from where we are giving you the training. So if you have any questions, please do let me know.
So my question is, how can I step into this success factor as an fresher? So recently, after 5 years, after 6 years, may AI can replace my career, my job. So how
Very
promising this factor
Yeah, very good question. So even recently, I have attended a meeting in SAP. So SAP will be organizing this kind of meetings in every 6 months. So AI will not replace anyone's job. Okay. So AI is the automation tool. So that is a machine. Means no, till now we have so many inventions from our school days to till now we have so many inventions, and every year we will be having this fear that if AI will come, our job will go. If AI will come, our job will go. Nowhere the jobs will go. Even if you see the Teslas and all those things has came, but still the human intelligence is required to operate those machines. Same way, AI is just a co-pilot for human brain, that it will give you the information, it will show you the path and all, but it will not take any decisions by his own. Means that the application own. So no doubt about that one, that AI will not replace any of the job, but AI is another co-pilot for a human brain that will guide organization with the some inputs and all, like data analytics. In the data analytics, like nowadays, everything will be working with the data analytics and all. So it will help with the tables and all. So many things are there. Even in SAP SuccessFactors, we have a Joule now. So Joule is all about AI co-pilot. And SuccessFactors, just know how you see that company organization information. So when we implement this Joule, like it's a chat bot. So if you type there that very configure company structure overview, then it will give you the path, but it will not configure by its own, because we don't know, right? Like how many locations we have to create, how many company business units we have to create, and who will be. So everything we cannot give input to the machine and we expect the result. So as a human brain, like we have to do all those things when based on the requirement. So AI will not replace anyone's job. There will be a replacement in the analytics and all reportings, those kind of areas, but not in the configurations and implementations. Okay. And that is also not now, it will also take some time. So even like when I started my SAP SuccessFactors journey in the 2016, from that time I'm listening that AI, whether AI will replace or not. So no, nothing will happen to any one job. If your profession, so there are lot of vacancies are there where company need a professional consultant with good knowledge of experience in SAP SuccessFactors with at least 2 to 3 modules. Still the vacancies are there. Every day we will be getting the calls, and it's everything in your hand, that how you are practicing, how many module language you are covering, and how good you are with another person. So there will be a competition will be there. Without competition you cannot see anything. So competition is there, so you have to fight and you have to get into the company. Okay. So Rohit, are you clear?
Yeah, I'm clear. Thank you so much for the
Yeah.
information.
So any other question, guys? So not only you people, initially like almost every month I will be getting some calls for new joiners and demos and all. So they will be having this fear that AI will replace or not. So you just assume that from how many years you are listening about AI, you are how many from how many years we are seeing all these new technologies and all. But every technology requires a human brain. So even AI cannot do the testing by its own. So we have to give the path and we have to do the intervention, then only it will work. So you should think about AI that when you are in a big process of like space rockets and all those things, where out of our minds and all, but these are all human intervention jobs. We need human intervention brains to configure all these systems. Clear?
What will be the certification?
Qualification after degree, anyone can.
No, certification. Because we have to write the exams.
Certification cost you are asking?
Yes.
Cost will be for one attempt it is 22,000 and for 6 attempts it is 55,000. So that you have to pay to the SAP. So directly you can book your slot and you can write the exam. So that after training and all, when we do your demo interviews and when we see complete project from your end, then we'll inform you that when you have to write the exam.
So as I told, I have a career plan.
Sorry?
So as I told you before, that I have a career plan.
You have a career gap. How many years?
5 years. Means
5 years.
from 2020, I'm not.
Previously, what was you doing?
Uh, I work as a HR developer.
HR,
At SQL developer.
SQL developer. Okay.
Yeah.
So we have in our current batch also two people are there with SQL developer and with almost 4 years of gap and all. So gap and all, I can say that I'm not saying that immediately you will be getting the job, but you have to do some groundwork on your profile. As a 2 years of 3 years of experience consultant, then you can move in. But immediately, like after the course, you should not expect that you will be getting a job like that. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, Vijay, Janaki, Rohit, Prithvi, Anand, any other questions?
All
Yeah.
okay, Kavitha. Thank you.
Okay.
So,
Certificate.
including the practice, 80 hours of training, or how come? Excluding the practice.
Including practice. In the practice, we will be taking care of real-time scenarios.
Fine, then.
Earlier, I used to close this one with only 40 hours, and after that, 20 hours will be hands-on practice and all. We were not touching THR 80, but in SAP, like when I'm seeing the projects and all, it's very much mandatory to go with the THR 80 as well. So by taking in consideration, we have added the THR 80 and 81 from the March batch. So already two batches are going on from morning and evening. So as of now, this batch will start in the April 4th or from in between 4th and 7th.
Okay, but I had a doubt.
Mm.
Certified SAP consultant or a non-certified consultant, or how the company approach, like whom they will give preference first.
See, certification is all about a degree kind of thing. So, if you say that in a HR terminology, a company will pick up the person who has the highest grades in the BTech or a master's and all. Same way, this is also certification is add an advantage, but not compulsory. Okay, some companies are there still they are hiring people without any certifications. If they have real time experience and good knowledge in success factor, also they are working in the projects in, and the people who are already in SAP success factors with the certifications are also, they are sitting on bench without any projects and all. So it is just a add-on advantage as SAP from SAP, that SAP should SAP like things that every people who are working on this module should be very qualified and as a expert kind of thing. For that one only we are writing the exams and all. But according to my point of view, it's just a kind of a degree. It will not help any experience in your configurations or implementations and all. Just add on advantage to your profile. So even I have 4 certifications, but never I have applied or nobody asked me that in how many modules you are certified. Initially, yes. Initially, when you are searching for job, when you get a HR calls and all, or if the new company is implementing, at that time they will ask you the certification to submit to the SAP, because in some companies, in small companies, they need to submit your certificate to the SAP to get the projects as well. In that way, they will ask, and in big companies, like they need consultants who are very certified, or they can go with the consultants who are skilled one.
Okay. I have another doubt also.
Hmm.
Yeah, I'm having 3 years and 8 months of experience in some non-IT job. If I'm
Hmm.
keeping this time as an experience, so I will get the call immediately. The company might be thinking he's experienced there, he will pick my resume.
Hmm.
Then the interview asking that depth would be also like that only. They will ask for a 3 to 4 years experienced guy. That
Hmm.
knowledge they will see. They will also want like he have to get that much of knowledge. How a 4 years guy is working. They will ask that much tough no interview. Not like a fresher they will ask.
Yeah,
So
so from training, you cannot expect 4 years of experience and all. So you can
yeah.
go as a 2 years, 3 years of experience person, and that 2 years, 3 years question we can easily clear with the training. So no need to worry about that one. After 3 years, a bit tough will be there, as you will be involved in the implementation, support, and also they may ask you the scenarios, because after 3 years your profile will be considered as a senior only. Yeah, regarding the certification, I just want to add one point. So even I have 4 year certifications with the Delta exam and all, and my certificate got expired. So it was a very big project with another country. So my resume got shortlisted, and on the day of the interview, the client asked me that whether you are certified or not, and if you are certified, show me the certificate. But I'm a certified, but the certification got expired. Okay, so that is a third party client. It means third party client want to present resumes only a certified consultant in front of client to show that they are having good profiles with the certifications. Okay, so this is also one scenario. So there's a 50-50 chances. If you are getting certification, it is the add-on advantage. If you're not getting certification, initially you can just try the jobs with the 2 years of experience, then you can learn something good knowledge, and then you can write your exam for the certification. And companies are there who can provide the certification, like a Capgemini is there, Accenture is there. So they will be hiring the people, and they will be giving the trainings as well, who are already having good experience, like 2 years, 3 years experience. They will hire people, they will provide the training, and those kind of trainings also we will be taking care. And in that training you can also learn from company and give the examination as well. So this is also there in the market. So you no need to go as a complete menu for the company. While entering, after entering into the company, also you will be getting so many chances to learn and grow as a SAP SuccessFactors consultant. Clear?
Yeah, yeah, clear.
Yeah, Janki.
Kavitha, workforce planning and headcount planning, forecasting, does all this comes under employee central?
No, ma. Workforce plannings and all that is different module.
Okay.
Mhm.
Thank you, Kavitha.
Workforce planning, HR analytics, and this succession and all. This is completely related to employee information and to set up the employee file profile and all. So this is completely a different.
Okay, I have. If I get a hands-on experience on employee central,
Hmm.
this workforce planning module would be easier or a bit large like employee central.
Employee central only, it's a very large. And
Okay.
after employee central, you will be having a minimum knowledge about other modules as well, where you can easily go through that one.
Okay.
Apart from payroll, because payroll is bit tough, payroll and compensation. Apart from that, you can go with another modules.
Okay, Kavitha.
Hmm. Any other questions? Vijay, you have any question? Anand, you didn't ask any question, so hope you are able to understand.
Yeah, because I'm listening all your words which you have said previously. That's why I'm just looking all the conversations. I'm saying that. Yeah, that's good to know all the things which listen right now. Yeah, as of now, from your side also, training part is good, which you have given the demonstration. Yeah, I'm very much comfortable to move forward with the SAP EC itself. Yeah,
Thank you, Anand.
thank you
So
so much.
support, 100% support will be there from my end. So within 1 week of training, you will get to know that what kind of support we will be giving. So you can see Janaki here. So Janaki is following up from last 1 month, Janaki, or 15 days, this kind of thing.
Oh, yeah, from 1 month, I think. Yeah, waiting to join.
Yeah, so and in even Vijay is also from our reference. Like Vijay friend is like in Capgemini, I have provided the corporate training, so they have referred Vijay. So not only the training part, we are also working to get on the projects to help people after the training part there where they can work. So as of now, as I mentioned, Vijay Kaushik is handling the global project. So that freelancing project is also available with us where people can work on the ticketing process and they can also earn on a ticket per ticket. So for that one, or to make sure to make you like a professional consultant to resolve the ticket and to get some good amount on your free time, we are also working on that one. And already from our previous batches, we have taken 15 people for that project and they are successfully working on that one. Not only that, other things are also we are trying. How much we can support, but we are not giving any job guarantee as I mentioned. But we can support you until and unless you get job. After getting the job also, even you are stuck up somewhere in the company, you are not able to work, so any kind of support you required, I'm here. If not me, other my students, like previous students, will also connect and help you.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, definitely. Definitely. Yeah, that's good to know. Yeah.
So our mobile numbers and everything I have mentioned. So people who are interested, they can connect with me. So we are going to start this from our new year, not new year, sorry, like in between 4th to 7th. Date is not fixed, but we will be starting this on a evening time only. And before starting, we will inform everyone and collect everyone's availability. Based on the majority, we will be going with that one.
Okay.
So I
Yeah.
request you to please drop your phone numbers and email ID so that I can follow you up. And you can also note my number. If you are really interested, you can connect with me. I'm dropping my number. So I request you to please share your number as well. And any information regarding the training before you wanted to join, I'm just a call away. Nowadays from 9 to 6 not available due to some other project work, but after 6 and morning before 9 I'm available. And if you're sending me any message and if I missed your calls or something, definitely after 10:30 I will be giving a call to everyone. So that's all about me, guys. I hope you understood, and I'm expecting all of you, and those who are interested and those who have any questions still, you have very much good time. You can just research about the training, you can compare the training, and you can come back to us. So all of you completed your dinner? From which location? All of you. I'm from Hyderabad and currently in Bangalore. So I see Vijay is from Bangalore, and Prithvi, where are you from?
Barampur, Odisha.
Orissa. Rohit?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm also from Bangalore.
Bangalore.
Yeah,
Janaki?
me, Vijay, Gausi are friends.
Oh, good, good. And people who are in Bangalore, they come and they come to me on Saturday, Sundays to help them with any kind of practical exposure or real time scenarios and all. So who are in Bangalore, they can come to me. I'm staying at Marathali. So anyway, anytime you can come and you can practice. So we will be connecting on Saturday, Sundays for 4 hours. Janaki, you cannot come from there, I understand.
Yeah. And you guys are finished lunch. I'm about to have my coffee evening.
Evening coffee. So it's 5 o'clock there?
Yeah, it's 5 o'clock.
Okay. Germany, right?
No, London.
Okay. Anand, where are you from?
I'm from Hyderabad.
Hyderabad. Where in Hyderabad?
JNTU.
JNT. Okay.
Yeah.
Lakshmi?
Even I'm also from Hyderabad.
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 Okay, okay. And Janaki, where are you from in India?
I'm based from Guntur actually, originally. Born and raised in Guntur and finished my studies also
Same
in
here.
Guntur.
Oh, I
Same
worked
here.
in Guntur 2 years.
Okay.
Even I'm also from Guntur.
Oh,
Originally.
where in Guntur?
Guntur, this idea, Koritipadu.
Okay, I was there nearby only.
Okay.
Yeah. I
There'll
was
be
for one
there'll,
company project.
okay.
The nearby place we have taken the flat. Gorantla.
Yeah, now I'm staying near Gorantla.
Oh, nice, nice.
It is called Mutiala Reddy Nagar.
Mm,
My parents are there.
okay.
Okay.
Okay, guys, nice to meet you all. Thank you so much for joining and thank you for your valuable time. And let's all connect over the WhatsApp or mobile call if you have any queries.
Hi, Kavitha.
Yeah, tell me.
Thank you, everyone. Look forward to
Thanks.
see you all in the class next time.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye
Sure.
bye.
Thank you so
Bye.
much.
Thank you. Good.